Welcome back to our channel, the completely redesigned 2026 INFINITI QX80. For a while, the QX80 was a solid, if overlooked, choice. But for 2026, INFINITI has come out swinging with a total transformation that turns it into a true heavyweight. This isn't just a minor update, it's a rebirth. And honestly, it's spectacular. The first thing that hits you is the design. The new QX80 has a serious presence. It's bold, modern, and has this quiet confidence about it. The new look, with its huge grille, sleek lights, and flush door handles that pop out as you walk up, is a total home run. It looks expensive and feels substantial. Under the hood, the old V8 is gone, replaced by a sophisticated 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6. This new engine churns out a commanding 450 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. Hooked up to a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission, it accelerates effortlessly and stays impressively quiet, even when you push it. This powertrain gives the QX80 the muscle it needs, allowing it to tow a hefty 8,500 pounds. But the real story is inside. INFINITI has crafted a cabin that feels undeniably premium. The top-tier autograph trim is stunning, with seats wrapped in beautiful, quilted semi-aniline leather. Massaging functions are available not just for the front seats, but for the second-row passengers too. And that third row, it's genuinely spacious enough for adults, which is a massive win in this class. The tech is just as impressive. The dashboard features two big 14.3-inch screens for your gauges and infotainment. The system itself is powered by Google built-in, so you get Google Maps and Assistant right in the car. The sound system is another highlight. You can upgrade to a wild 24-speaker Klipsch reference premiere system that basically turns the QX80 into a concert hall on wheels. With an air suspension standard on most trims, it just glides down the road. With prices expected to range from around $85,000 to over $113,000 for the top autograph model, the new QX80 is a stunning return to form.